Welcome back, everyone, to the official Uniborough YouTube channel. I'm your host, Mitchell, and in this episode, I'm going to show you guys how to apply for the 10 free Salesforce licenses through the Power of Us hub. So in the last video, I showed you guys how to actually create your trial org. And so in this video, we're actually going to go through the application process. So here I am in the Salesforce org that I created in the last one. And in this other tab open, I have the Power of Us program application, and I'll leave a link to this in the description below so you guys can check that out. So as soon as you click on this link, you're greeted with this welcome page, and basically this first page is telling you that you just need to log in into the Salesforce org you will be applying for. So let's just click login to apply. And so in this case, because I was already logged in, it's asking me just to click allow. If you weren't logged in already, you'll have to log into your Salesforce org and then click allow. So we'll just click on allow. Once that loads up, the next step is to take the readiness test. And this is just to make sure that you're actually ready to be using Salesforce. So I'm going to go ahead and take the survey. And all you need to do is just follow along and answer these questions to the best of your ability. So I'm going to fill this out and I'll be right back. So I just finished answering all of the questions. All I'm going to do now is just click on Submit Survey. And now it's going to ask you whether you want to print this out or you can save a copy of it. You can do that if you want. I'm not going to, but you can just scroll down and see all your answers and see how you compare to the average score. So I'm just going to click on Continue with Application. So now it's asking for a little bit of contact information. So you're going to have to put on the system administrator, so who will kind of be in control or the primary contact of your Salesforce organization. And then you're also going to need an executive sign-off. So this is the person who's kind of in the position to move forward with this application, kind of who's signing off on this whole Salesforce project. So again, I'm going to go ahead and fill this out quickly, and I'll meet you guys on the other side. Okay, so this data is now filled out. I'm going to go ahead and click on Next. So now in this part, it's going to ask you about your organization. So it's just asking for basically your legal name. And then this one, although there's not really any real question here, but this is going to be your CRA number. So because this is a test, I don't actually have one, so I'm going to just pull up just a random organization and put that information in here. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I just finished filling out all this information. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Next. And so for this one, it's going to ask you for some required documents. So just basically your proof of a charitable status. So I'm on the Canada official website now. And so I'm actually going to go and get to a charity so I can show you exactly what you need to upload for this portion. So once you're on the Canada site, you want to go and click on Taxes. Then you want to scroll down to Charities and Giving, List of Charities and Other Qualified Donees, Charities. And now you just want to search for your charity name. So in our case, I'm going to use the Quebec Veterans Foundation. You just click on Search, and then you can go and select your charity. So once you're on the page, you just want to click on the charities detail page. And even here at the top, it says you can use this page to confirm a charity status. So once you're here, what I usually like to do is just click on Control P or Command P and just print this page out. But I like to just save it as a PDF. So you can save that wherever you would like. And now if I head back to the Power of Us application, I can select the file, and you can select the PDF that you have just saved. Once that's done, you can click on Upload Files, and that will then upload that PDF, and then you can go ahead and click on Next. And so the last step is just saying that you agree to the Master Subscription Agreement, and once you click on that, you can go ahead and click Submit Application. I'm not going to in this case just because this is a fake application, but once you click on that, you'll successfully submit your application, and it usually takes anywhere from 1 to 30 days to hear back. So that is how you successfully submit a Power of Us program application. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks a lot.